Come with me. This little Evoque here's my next victim. I absolutely love when you get a car from the body shop that's already all torn apart for you. That's so nice. Vehicle came in for just an airbag diag. But we got a no crank, no start. Seeing this makes me think we have a Lin or can line down somewhere. I'm finding all kinds of goodies. Oh, maybe I should plug that in. Check this one too. Moving some stuff around. Also found a little blown fuse. Wonder what they're messing with. I'm gonna do a little research, find out where that fuse came from, hook up the scan tool. I will check back in with you guys in a little bit, tell you what I figured out.